Okay, welcome back to part 3 of grammar for our chapter. And I'm just going to briefly talk you through some of these things you can read, and I encourage you to read again page 111 to 112. I believe that's on the lesson plan for Tuesday. So that we're going to talk about imperative mood and vocative case. They're not too complicated, I think. I think they're not too bad. But so we have in any language, we have a couple of different moods of a verb, and that kind of tells us what is the mood, what is the feeling as we address or talk to someone. So most of our discussions are in the indicative mood. So that's from indicare, which just means to give information, and it simply indicates what is taking place. It's very factual. So Latin uses this for declarative and interrogative statements. So things where you're saying the table is blue, or what color is the table? Those would be both be in the indicative mood, and so most of what you have learned to this point is the indicative mood. Another mood, though, is called the imperative mood, and the imperative mood is when we're giving commands. So stand up, sit down, be quiet, do your homework. Okay, so all of those things are given in the imperative mood, and imperative verbs are almost always in the second person, because you're usually giving a command to you. You there, sit down. You there, stand up. Okay, so when we're forming an imperative to a singular, to one person, okay, it's pretty simple. It is just the stem of the verb. So we have the verb amare. I want to tell you to love. Okay, to just one of you, I say ama. Ama. Okay. So, and then if I want to tell a group, I'm going to use the stem of the verb, and then I'm going to put an ending te, so amate, on top here. Let me show you in the. So go ahead and add this to your notes. Okay. So we have amare becomes ama to a singular person, amate to a group of people. Okay. And so I'll just label this here. Imperative mood gives a command. I'll move the phone in just a second so you can see it. The imperative mood gives a command. For a singular, it is just the stem. For plural, it is the stem plus te. Okay? Ooh. There we go. So the imperative mood gives a command. To form it for a singular, just the stem of the verb. To form it for a group, you do stem plus te. So on page 111, it gives the example vide or videte, okay, for videre. Now, when we get to the third conjugation, singular, so in third conjugation, singular keeps its weak E of the stem. So it's just the stem, whatever the stem is. So keeps its weak E. It doesn't change to anything of the stem. But the plural, the weak E becomes an, can you guess what it would be? An I, okay? So we have cape, capite. Okay, so that's an I-O. It doesn't make much difference for third conjugation with this in particular. Mite, to one person, matite, to a group. Okay, that is just a regular third conjugation, okay? So there's no difference really, any kind of third conjugation. The weak E, the stem keeps the weak E, but when you go to the plural form, when you're telling a group a command, that weak E turns to an I. Okay, that makes sense? All right. And they have some on the top of page 112. You have some more examples. They do have the verb fere, which is a very irregular verb, and so it is kind of strange. but all of those listed there are some irregular cases. Okay, so on exercise 6, which should be done as part of Tuesday's work, you're going to take these and you're going to, so you're going to write the verb, and you're going to write the singular form of the imperative and then the plural form of the imperative. So you should have 3 words on each line for 1 through 8 in exercise 6. Okay, I encourage you to read page 112 about vocative case. Vocative case isn't too bad. It's just when you're addressing a certain group, you want to say students, you want to say poet, or you want to say, and pick your noun, girls, boys, brothers, kings, queens. It's just a special way. Most of the time, it is the exact same as the nominative case, so that's nice. If we have a second declension noun that ends in that ends in us or ius, then we have a different ending on the singular form. But otherwise, it's very, very simple, similar to nominative most of the time. So anyway, I encourage you to read page 112 on the vocative case, but exercise 7 is not required until Wednesday. So on Wednesday we will discuss this and go through any questions. Hopefully we'll be together Wednesday, although with the cold, I don't know if that'll happen. If not, I'll try to send out some more videos, and do please know you can either class reach me, or if you have a longer question, I'm happy to do like a FaceTime or Skype or something like that, if you need some help on the homework or something like that. Also, feel free to reach out to your classmates if you need some help. So thank you for your hard work today. There will not be an updated, well, I guess I will go ahead and post an updated lesson plan, but basically if you already printed out Latin 1, we're just going to put all of Monday and Tuesday's work on Tuesday. Of course, you're welcome to complete it whichever day, or do some both days. Whatever works for you is totally fine. But we will need to be all the way through exercise 6 by the time we get to class on Wednesday. Lord willing that there is class on Wednesday. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great snow day, and know that I'm here if you need anything, either Monday or Tuesday. So thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.